Hi love, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you to all my new and old subscribers, to you always coming back to watch my video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. So on today's video, I'll be bringing you premium contents. So today is my family friend's wedding, big man's wedding. I know if you want to, waiting with this way they throw for up now. What's in there happen here? My guy, now money. I know what we're going on in your mind is it dollar or naira? Now handmade money. So the fear of EFCC is the beginning of wisdom. Yes, the fear of EFCC is the beginning of wisdom. Nobody would want what happened to Bob Risky to happen to him or her. So this man did a very nice thing, as he took a very nice decision. Instead of abusing our dollar, he made something like this, just like you are seeing on the floor, so that you can just go there. If you are spraying 1,000 naira, we have like this thing has just some of the papers has 500, while some has 1,000 written on it. So even if you want to spray 1 million, you'll be giving the value of the money you want to spray. Yeah, if you look at the papers on the floor, you would see 1,000, you would see 500, you see 200 naira. So however you want to spray, you'll be giving the value of your money. I love this style, honestly, because with this now, nobody will be. Imagine if this money were real money. What would have been going on there? People will just come there, stretch their hand and steal one or two. But this, you know, you fully well what is on that floor is not real money. Nobody's even looking at the money. At least to the advantage of the celebrants. And this thing that after celebrating, those that planned the event will take half of the money and give the celebrant half. In this case, it will not happen. You see, EFCC really did us good though. Anything in this life that has advantage also has disadvantage. Honestly, this pattern, I really like them. Nobody was looking at the money, because if you pick a what you want carry and buy. So money was just going. You go there, you go to a particular spot in that wedding reception and change the amount you would want to spray them. Very nice decision. Even I say, I go copy this one. No, when I saw what's going on, I was like, wow, this man gets sense. At least Bob Risky no go happen to him. Before person go come carry him back, find himself inside prison yard. So the wedding was so booming. Trust Igbo men now. Igbo men get money. Honestly, it will not be a cap. I'm not capping. That's just the facts. Now, so they just carry money. They were just spraying. Honestly, if you have like 50,000 there, you'll be ashamed to come out. People will come out now. People will spray like 500,000, 1 million, and they test you. So this was how people just spraying. They were just pouring the thing. People will not send now. A lot of people, and this man really gets sense. So as if he knew what was going to happen, he made plenty of these papers. He made plenty of them. He had it plenty because he know he's a doing man. So there was never shortage, and nobody was even picking it. Just spray and match. This is not the case of spray and somebody will be stressing him or herself to pick money. Honestly, this is not the case. Everybody was just dancing to their satisfaction, dancing. Nothing like, hey, let me use style and take one note. Let me use style and steal one note. Nothing of such. I love this style. Honestly, I would advise everybody to copy this style, because this style really bam. See money on the floor, and the color the man used was so nice, so fine. When I first entered there, I was like, which currency is this? Until I looked very well, carefully, and I saw that if you look it carefully, you would see there's the picture of the celebrant on the paper. So this is him avoiding EFCC wahala. Because you can imagine if these things were, the papers on the floor were real money, you know where it would have landed him. So he took the best decision. So I would advise you also copy him, because this one really makes sense. Make something of this nature and plan whatever you want to do, whether wedding or anniversary or dedication, change it. Nobody go steal your money. Your money will be intact. Yes, nothing like a lot of people spend money and I'm realizing small amounts. It will not happen in this one. Yes, and another thing is, you have no law to face. You have no EFCC to face. Nobody will come and question you. Nobody is coming to tell you you've abused our naira. Nobody is coming to tell you why are you spending money the way you did. So you see, very good, oh, very good. In fact, EFCC, thank you so much for this your new decision of arresting anybody that spray money. So this is now the new pattern. If you are still thinking, how am I going to regain my money after my party, after whatever, follow this pattern, follow this trend. And I tell you, your money will remain intact. Hey, so nice. Guys, watch and enjoy. Igbo people has ngabasi. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well and subscribe. On this channel, I bring you premium or nothing. Premium and nothing. So subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you. Love you. Mwah.